Bitcoin is already a well-known digital currency, but it's also making waves in the world of online casinos. It offers fast, secure transactions and unmatched privacy, giving players the freedom to gamble without the hassle of traditional banking. But before you can dive into the world of Bitcoin casinos, you'll need to create your own Bitcoin wallet, which will securely store your funds. Before we dive in, it's important to understand that Bitcoin wallets come in two main types: cold wallets and hot wallets. Cold wallets are offline wallets. These don't connect to the internet, making them the safest option for long-term storage. However, they require a bit more setup and are typically used by people who want to store larger amounts of Bitcoin for an extended period. Hot wallets connect to the internet and are faster and more convenient, but they can be more vulnerable to attacks. Hot wallets are the most popular option for people who need to access their Bitcoin regularly, like for online gambling. In this video, we'll focus on setting up a hot wallet, which is perfect for fast transactions and easy access to your Bitcoin funds. Now that you understand the basics, it's time to choose your wallet. Instead of recommending one specific wallet, we suggest you try this quiz from Bitcoin.com. It will help you find the best wallet based on your personal preferences. Simply follow the link and answer a few quick questions to get the most suitable wallet for you. However, if you prefer not to take the quiz, we recommend starting with Coinbase Wallet. It's easy to use, beginner-friendly, and integrates seamlessly with the Coinbase exchange, a trusted platform for buying and selling Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Once you've chosen your wallet, the next step is setting it up. The process is usually very similar for all hot wallets. Here's what you need to do. Go to the official website of your chosen wallet. It's important to ensure you're on the correct, secure website to avoid phishing scams. Download the wallet version that fits your device. Whether it's a desktop, browser extension, or mobile app, make sure you choose the right one for your needs. Create your account and set a strong password. Write this password down and store it somewhere safe. If you lose this password, recovering your wallet may be impossible. Follow the steps to encrypt your wallet. Most wallets will guide you through encrypting your wallet to keep your funds safe. Secure your private key. You'll be given a private key, usually a string of numbers and characters. Write this down and store it in a secure offline location. Your private key is the only way to recover your wallet if you forget your password. Once your wallet is set up, you can add Bitcoin to it. If you don't already have Bitcoin, you can purchase it from a trusted exchange, such as Coinbase, and transfer it directly to your new wallet. Simply provide your wallet's unique address and the funds will be sent to your account. That's it! You now have a Bitcoin wallet ready to use for online gambling.